Hi guys, this is a tutorial showing how I create recorder play along videos. They're not super complex with animated graphics and bouncing ball like a Disney movie or something, but it's an embedded video with a still image that has the music notation. So what we're looking at right now is ActivInspire Studio, which is the software that goes along with the Promethean Active Board. That's just the active board I have at school. It's kind of like the smart board, which is a different brand. I create all my flip charts with just clip art that I've inserted images, and I do it all. This is what I've used for years with the kids, so this is where I just pull my music from. So we're going to go down to Boom Follow Raw Part 2, and I'm going to show you how I get that image. I use the snipping tool, which if you haven't used that, it's a very handy tool. I use it so often that I've pinned it down to my taskbar. The snipping tool can draw a box around anything and copy the image. Now you can use any music you have already. Just take a picture or a scan. I'm going to hit copy, and we're going to go to PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, I have created a slide background for each of the songs in my unit. So you can see all the different songs. They get progressively difficult. So Unit 3, Boom Follow Raw Part 2, I'm going to paste the music in. We're going to go get the fingering chart for the notes we need for that song. So I'm going to slide up here. For Part 2, we only need D, G, and E. So I'm going to slide that up to get a clean picture real quick. Snipping tool, new, draw a box, and right now the Screencastify is in the way, but this is just pretend I've done the real video already. So I'm going to copy and go to PowerPoint and paste the fingering chart, resize a little bit, move it on up. There we go. Now we've saved this black space because that's where our embedded video will go. Now, after you've created your backgrounds, we're going to hit File, Save As, and change this. Instead of as a PowerPoint presentation, we're going to save them as JPEGs. And hit save. It will ask you, do you want all the slides or just this one? And we're going to say all the slides. It will save each slide as a separate image, and it tells you it's created a new folder. It's named it the same title as your PowerPoint, and they'll all be together. So then I need a way to get those images to my iPad because I do not have a Mac and I want to use iMovie. So I just open up the folder that these are in. I open up, not Screencastify, I open up Google Drive and I drop them into a folder. They're already here waiting for me on my iPad. All the images are there. So the next step is on your iPad. Give me 1 second to switch over.